Vacation?
Just fine. Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Hi,
Hi, Baka.
Boga.
Have a seat.
Thank you. How are you doing?
Just fine. What have you been doing lately?
I have been looking for a car for weeks. Could you please help me?
Yeah, sure. I will drive you up tomorrow to go to a car dealership.
Wait, pickup? I don't want to buy a pickup truck. I just need a small car.
No, no. Pickup means to drive or get someone to somewhere with you. So I mean, I will drive you with me to go to a car dealership tomorrow.
Okay, I see, I understand.
But wait, which kind of car do you need to buy? Used one or a new one?
I think I will buy a used one.
No, take it from me. That's not a good idea to buy a used car.
Take it from me? Do you mean to take the car from you? But you need your car, don't you?
No, take it from me means trust me, believe me. So I mean, trust me, you should buy a new car.
I agree with you, fam, because when I bought my car, it was used and I got ripped off.
Okay, now what do you mean about rip-off? Are you using so many phrasal verbs that I don't understand?
Okay, Baka. Rip off means someone who convinces you to buy too much for something and it wasn't good quality. So I mean I paid too much for my used car and it wasn't good quality.
Okay, now I understand.
Oh, I think my friend Alex is going to sell his car. I will call him up and ask him. Maybe we can make an appointment with Alex tomorrow after we check out the car dealership.
Wait, check out. We going to a hotel?
No.
We don't need to check in the car dealership, right? Just kidding. I know what that means. It means look at something.
That's right, you are very smart, Baka.
Anyway, that is really helpful. But are you sure that Alex will not rip me off?
Well, as far as I know, he's the nice guy.
But as far as you know, you aren't sure. So maybe he will rip me off.
Don't worry, Baka. I have experience. I will help you to make sure he doesn't rip you off.
Thanks for helping, guys. Then I will see you tomorrow.
See
See
you.
you.